Hello, lovely people. Wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful wing cut crease that I have going on right now. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. First, I'm going to take some of my Caramel Cutie bronzer and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and sweep that across the crease. You can use whatever bronzer you have, but I suggest starting off with the bronzer and take your time when you're doing this. Right now I'm doing this in real time. I'm not going to speed this up because I want you to see that it takes a little bit of time to blend. And here I'm just going above my crease to get a more blown out effect. And if you don't have bronzer, of course you can go ahead and use a similar eyeshadow color. It's good to make sure that you take your time and blend seamlessly because when you do your cut crease, you want to have a really nice contrast. Now I'm going to take this brown from my Victoria's Secret palette and I'm going to use my e.l.f. blending brush to stamp that into the crease so that I can deepen up the crease some more. And you're just going to go ahead and blend that out and blend the two colors seamlessly together. Your cut crease depends on this, so just take your time and try and blend as best as you can. Now time to do the part that you came here for, the winged cut crease. You're going to take a flat brush, you're going to dip it in some concealer, and you're going to stamp it into the middle of your eyelid. You want to start low because when you apply that to the eyelid, you're going to look up so that you can kind of see where you're going to draw your cut crease. Now that you have that guide for your cut crease, you're going to take your time and stamp that blending brush in to draw your winged cut crease. Now that you have your winged cut crease, you're going to go ahead and set it with a little bit of setting powder. And this part I'm going to speed up because I think you get the gist of it. And here I am all finished. I went ahead and did the other eye off camera. And it's important to set your eyes with powder because that prevents the concealer from flaking up and from cracking. And yeah, this is pretty much how you do a winged cut crease, but I'm going to go ahead and take it a step further and go over it with this deep gold color and use this light gold color in my inner tear duct. And I'm just using the flat side of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. By the way, I have a link below to show how I highlight and contour, and I'll also link below how I do my eyebrows as well. I'm really loving this winged cut crease. Don't let these eye looks intimidate you. If I can do it, so can you. It just takes a lot of practice and a little bit of artistry. I really hope that you learned something from this video. If you like these type of videos or you just like my content in general, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.